Hello and welcome. So we are going to learn about ternary operator or ternary statement in Ruby, and it is like a shorter form of if-else statement. So here we use this syntax, we give the expression and then a question mark, and then if this expression is true, whatever is there after the question mark will get executed, and then we give a colon here, and then if this expression is false, whatever we give after the colon will get executed. Let me show you an example. So I'm just going to my earlier if else demo Ruby, or let me just create a new file. I will create ternary.rb, and in the main.ruby I will run this file ternary.rb, and here if I say two numbers, let us say a equals 10 and b equals 20, I can also get this from user. So I will say print enter num1, and I will take this into a variable called a. I will say gets dot chomp dot to I to convert it into integer, and then I will say print a number 2, and then again I will take this into a variable called b. So here I have got two variables with numerical values. Now I can say a greater than b, this is a condition, and I will say question mark. If this condition is true, I want to store a, so let us say I use a variable c here, and c equals to this. If this is true, it will store a. If this is false, it will store b, and then I will say puts, I will print c, or I can just say greater number is, and I will say c here. So if I run this, let us see. It says enter number 1, I will say 10, enter number 2, I will say 20, and now it is saying greater number is 20. So this is a shorter form of if else. I hope this was useful. I will meet you in the next session. Thank you for watching.